every marriage proposal, every declaration of war, every leap of imagination, every mission launched into the unknown, every act of kindness, every lie, every breakthrough, every decisive moment, it all happened right here in the darkness of the skull, emerging from patterns of activity in networks of biological cells. So let's take a closer look at what's happening behind the scenes during a decision. So imagine you're making a simple choice. You're standing in the drinks aisle at the store and you're trying to decide between two flavors of sports drink that you like equally. So you're looking at lemon and blueberry. Now, from the outside, if someone's looking at you standing in the aisle, it doesn't look like you're doing much. You're simply stuck there in the aisle looking back and forth between these two options. But inside your brain, a simple choice like this has unleashed a hurricane of activity. Now, keep in mind that by itself, no single neuron has much influence, but each neuron is connected to thousands of others, and they in turn connect to thousands of others, and so on in this massive, loopy, intertwining network. They're all releasing chemicals that excite or depress each other. Within this web, a particular constellation of neurons represents the lemon drink. And this pattern is formed from neurons that mutually excite each other. Now, they're not necessarily next to each other. They might span distant brain regions involved in smell and taste and vision and your unique history of memories involving lemon sports drinks. Each of these neurons by itself has very little to do with lemon. In fact, each neuron plays many different roles at different times in ever-shifting coalitions. But when these neurons all become active collectively at the same time in this particular arrangement, that's the lemon sports drink to your brain.